You know this feeling. You open ChatGPT and type in what you want, and you get this. A wall of boring text which is not useful. It's the same info from the textbook, but just duller. You know AI can do better, right? So what's going on? The problem isn't with AI, it's the way we are talking to it. What if I told you with a few simple changes to a request, you can go from that boring output to a satisfied answer? This is the difference between asking and training AI. This is the sprint skill you are missing out, and it's Bro.
Plate.
So what exactly is prompt engineering? You know the hard definitions. Imagine you are in the world's best restaurant and you just say, bring something. That doesn't satisfy you. But with clear instructions of what dish, spices and add-ons you need makes your meal satisfying. That's prompt engineering. To show you what I mean, let's look at a common up situation. An engineering student, one night before exam, asks ChatGPT for help.
ChatGPT, I need you to help me with quantum computing.
Anyways, what do you think generally a student asks? He types in, explain quantum computing. Well, he gets a shorter form of textbook. It's okay, but that doesn't help him understand anything. You know what? That's what most of us do. Now, what if we knew a little more? He tries this instead. Explain the main ideas of quantum computing using simple everyday examples. Don't use difficult words. Speak to high school student who knows basic physics. Boom! See the difference? Now it's easy to understand. It's using simple examples. The AI now knows who it's talking to and how they want to learn. But we can go even further. This is where you take the full control. Create a 500-word explanation of quantum computing suitable for a bright high school student. Use analogies for every topic. Include a brief mention of potential applications and challenges. Structure the explanation with clear headings. And look at the result. It's perfect, isn't it? It's an explanation made just for him. The AI didn't get smarter, the prompt did. So how did we do that? How did we control the output so perfectly? It's not magic, it's formula. The perfect prompt uses a mix of these things: the role, the task, the context, the audience, and the style. As you can see, this isn't just for getting better homework answers. This is for writing creative stories, planning trips, and even getting help with code. You have just learned the most important skill for working with AI. This formula is your new superpower. It puts you in charge and turns AI from just a fun toy into your personal helper and creative partner. And the best part is, we are just getting started. This skill is the best of everything we are going to build.
So,
Stay tuned. Until then, bye.